Curly hair only Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then here you have to go to trending, add highlights, and here you will only have trending Instagram stickers. So there we have it, curly hair only. From here you just have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on this button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So now let's go to uploads, click on the left bottom corner and choose a photo with your curly hair. So I will go with this photo right here, and you can place your photo where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And then you can do the same thing with your sticker. Place it where you want or make it bigger or smaller. Once you are happy with your story, you can click share to, then click share to your story and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.